Hey kids! Come downstairs. Today is your school day. Alright kids, but wait. Where the heck is Rosie? Oh no, I'm going to get her right now. Oh great. Rosie, get your little sleepy head up. You're going to be late for another day of school. Now take off your blindfold and let's go. You're going to be late again.
Oh no, not again. I hate school so much, Dad. Can I just stay?
No, Rosie. You are not staying here because it's a school day. Now hurry up. Okay. Finally Rosie is ready. Alright kids. Let's
Wait, Dad, I need to tell you something. So is Rosie always late for school?
I don't know, classic Kalu. Just mind your own business. Anyways. Let's go.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Martin.
Rosie. You're late, again. Now get your butt to your seat. Alright, now it's time to do science. So, the science class is just the one left down the hall, so let's go and do more learning.
Hey miss, can I go to use the toilet?
Oh my goodness, Rosie, no. You are not going to restrooms, because I know.
No miss. I promise that I won't do it again. For real this time, just please. Please.
You know what? Just do whatever.
Yeah, thank you. Man, I wish I could do something. Because I'm so done of this stupid school. And my stupid teacher, I wish I could pull the fire alarm. Wait a minute. Fire alarm. Oh yay. I got a troublemaker idea. So I will pull the fire alarm. So the loud noises can be activated. Ha 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 ha. Well, let's go find the fire alarm. Oh, I found it. Now it's my chance to pull it. OMG, I need to get out.
Class, I know who pulled the fire alarm. I'm going to get that little gingerbread right now. Oh. Rosie, go to principal's office right now.
Wait, but Miss Martin, I did—
Stop lying. I know you did it.
What? You did?
Well, I was spying on you for full time. So go to your principal's office right now, you big troublemaker girl.
Where we are? Oh no, he's my dad. Here we go, a grounded spree.
Oh my freaking, you stupid little ginger, not exist in my life. How freaking dare you pull the fire alarm? Sis, you know you could get in big trouble about this. I just can't say this right now, but that's it. You are so grounded for 238-507322221 years. Whenever, if we move out, you will go straight to your basement, not in your room. Because this is your punishment. Now get out and never come back.
Yeah.